kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. It's wonderful. Remember, it's coming up to Christmas, and Christmas dinner gonna be looking totally different this year, 2015, guys. We're gonna have a beautiful Christmas. Hopefully you have a Christmas for yourself at your home, a wonderful Christmas. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and leaving your comments. We know there's a lot of people been supporting Chef Ricardo. I want to say big up on yourself. Anyway, there's a lot of things coming up, but you know, I do work, as I always said. I have a 9-to-5 job also. And remember, I want to make you guys be aware that I'm coming up with a Christmas rum fruit cake. We're going to do a pot roast beef. We're going to do roast chicken, roast turkey. There's a lot of things coming up, guys, but it takes time, you know what I mean? And I know the time is moving very fast. But I want to simply say to you, thank you so much with all my heart for subscribing to the channel, leaving the comments, and continue to support Chef Ricardo. 2016, if God spare our life, we will do better. We love you and thank you so much. Big time, big support. Christmas dinner tips gonna be totally different. Christmas dinner gonna be look different, and hopefully, guys, you will see it. Share your idea with Chef Ricardo. Share your dinner, what you want your dinner to be look, or you want your table to be set. Tips and ideas makes a difference. So thank you so much, and hopefully you guys have a wonderful time. Bye bye.